In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a job advertisement with Paperform. Creating a job ad can seem daunting, but with Paperform, the process is straightforward and versatile. Let's dive in and walk through each step to craft an effective job advertisement. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Paperform dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new form. You'll want to select the blank form option to give yourself a fresh canvas. As you set this up, give your form a relevant title such as job application position. This helps in organizing your forms and easily identifying them later. Now let's move on to adding the content of your job advertisement. In the form body, which is the text section at the top, you will write your job ad. Be sure to include the job title, some information about your company, a detailed job description, clearly defined responsibilities, and the qualifications required. If you want, you can also add the salary and benefits information. Don't forget to mention the deadline for applications. Utilize headings and bold text to make these sections more readable and engaging for potential candidates. Next, it's time to add application questions to gather all the necessary information from your applicants. Click on Add Question, where you can create various fields. These should include short text for full name, an email field, and phone number. Be sure to include a file upload option for applicants to submit their resumes. It's also a great idea to provide a long text field for a cover letter or a section where applicants can tell you why they should be hired. Don't forget to include fields for a LinkedIn or portfolio URL and a multiple choice question to learn how they heard about the job. Remember, marking these fields as required ensures you collect all the necessary information. With those basics in place, let's move on to customizing the design and settings of your form. Navigate to the theme settings where you can choose the colors and upload your company logo to align the form's appearance with your brand. Then go to defaults to set up a confirmation message, ensuring applicants know their submission was successful. You may also want to consider setting an automatic email response, whether that's a confirmation email to the applicants or a notification to your HR team. Once you have everything set up, it's time for the final step, sharing your creation. Click on share and copy the public link provided. You can now post this link on job boards and Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or on your company's website to attract potential candidates. And there you have it. You've successfully created a job advertisement with Paperform. By following these steps, you can make sure your job ad is both professional and tailored to your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.